Here's what you guys want to see: the brand new iPhone 14 Plus and the iPhone 14. Let's take a closer look here on MCon Reviews. So guys, here is the brand new iPhone 14 in the 6.1 inch size, and then the newer one for this year is the iPhone 14 Plus. So this is a larger variation. So 6.1 here and then 6.7 inches here. As far as the design is concerned, very, very similar to last year, but there are some changes when it comes to the internals. First of all, both of these are running the A15 Bionic chip. You also have updates to the camera module. So it's a dual camera still, but you have a new and improved 12 megapixel sensor for the main with OIS, and you also have 12 megapixel for the ultra wide.
The front camera now has autofocus, and the whole iPhone 14 lineup has photonic engine, which enables 2.5 times better low light capture on the main camera. And then there's action mode across the whole line, so you get super stabilized video and really shaky scenes. And we can see the photonic engine at work here. This is an indoor low light shot. You can just see the incredible detail in all of the hair here and the lighting on the face. And now in this portrait mode shot, we're familiar with the bokeh in the back, but now with the bokeh in the front as well, you really just creative captures here.
Obviously, both of these are running with iOS 16, and they both have that beautifully vibrant liquid Retina XDR display. What I will say is that the iPhone 14, I think, is going to be a more popular size for most people, but for those people that want to get a larger size without upgrading to the Pro model, then they'll be able to take advantage of the iPhone 14 Plus. And obviously, if you compare like how much more you can see on that display in terms of content, it is noticeable. Now, one other thing is both of these devices now have the SOS emergency service, which harnesses satellites to be able to allow you to pinpoint or at least send a message if you're in an emergency. One of those cool features that a lot of people were expecting has finally come to not only the iPhone 14, but also the Pro models as well. Here are all the colors for the brand new iPhone 14 and 14 Plus.